Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Walmart beauty unboxing. I totally skipped the last quarter. I got it and then I forgot. Open it up. This is free, but it is $5 to ship it and it's quarterly. This is Hello Sunshine, and then there's a little card to say rate and review, and it used to be like a shiny card. Now it's matte, so it's more friendly to recycle. I'm going to open it up even more. Oops. That falls out. So this might be the summer box. And the first thing on top is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treatment Papaya Extract 1-Minute Hair Mask. I believe we've gotten this before. And if you are unfamiliar with the Walmart beauty box, these are all products you can find at Walmart, which is fabulous because it's sometimes unfortunate to find a product in a beauty subscription box that you love, but then you can't really find it in a store. So I'm not a huge fan of Garnier Fructis products, but I do like how these are naturally derived. So I may or may not keep this. I've held on to some in the past, and I always end up donating them. So it may end up going into my donate pile just because. Next in here is by Salon Perfect. It's the One and Done Brow Pomade in dark brown. I feel like we've gotten this before, and it comes with a brush, an angled brush with a spoolie on it, and I would love to try this, except it's dark brown and it's going to be way too dark for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and donate this. But I'm sure it's great. I love a good brow pomade, but I recently got henna too, so just not going to use it. Next in here is by Bic. It's the Soleil Sensitive Comfort Shield 3 blades. I actually typically don't shave. I either get waxed, and my legs, I actually purchased the Finishing Touch I don't know what to call it. It looks like a space alien. Hold on. It's legs. So it's like this with the... So I've been using this for my legs. So I actually don't use razors anymore. And I can't tell you the last time I've had a razor. I actually used one the other day because I let my leg hair get really long. But I just happened to have one in my collection from a while ago. So because this is all wrapped up in a nice package, I'm gonna probably donate this as well. But I do like that this is for a sensitive shave, because sometimes I find that like the comfort shield on these used to be it would irritate. I'm not sure if these are sensitive where it's nickel free, because I know sometimes people can't use certain razors because they're allergic to nickel, so I'm not sure, but I'd be curious to find out. Alright, so this is the Tresemme Between Washes Dry Shampoo Volumizing, and this I know I'm going to donate because I do not like it. I do not like the scent. I do not like what it does to my hair. It does not clean it. So that's unfortunate, but it's just not, it's one of the drugstore dry shampoos that I just don't like. I know some people love it, but everyone's hair is different, so as you know, their body chemistry is different. Next in here is by Blistex. It's the Lip Vibrance, a touch of color and shimmer that really lasts, SPF 15 with a built-in mirror. And I actually need a new lip balm. Some of mine are getting kind of funky and a little bit old, so this I'm really excited about, and I'm definitely going to use this, and I like how there's SPF in it, and I do like the Blistex brand. Next in here is Teletize. It's the brand. And it's a strong grip, no rip hair tie that gives back. So it's water resistant, a strong grip. It's like one of the ones you can put on your wrist. It reduces headaches, damage, and creases in your hair. They shrink back into place. Oh, so you know how like Okay, so I have one of those ones that are similar to this. I forgot the brand, but I have a bunch of them. They're small. You can't really put them on your, like if you have larger wrists like myself, you can't really put them on your wrists because they kind of hurt after a while. But I'm not sure with those, but these you can shrink back into place by filling a dish with hot water and putting them back in there. And then with each teletype purchase, you help improve the lives of people and families affected by hereditary breast, ovarian related cancers. That is amazing. Oh, that's really nice. My hair is really short right now for a hair elastic. I have a really tiny one in right now to hold most of my hair back, but my hair is really short. So I'm just not going to use this. It's just going to stay with a ton of other hair elastics I'm not going to use. So I'm probably just going to donate this. But I really want to keep this brand in mind because that is amazing. All right, so next we have the Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Strip to Scrub. Ooh. So it's a blackhead nose strip with salicylic acid that transforms to a scrub. So you apply this strip, you leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you massage it into your skin to rub the blackheads away. So I think that this is neat because sometimes these strips can be really rough on your skin, and while it removes the pores, it can also be damaging to your skin. So I think this is a great concept. I'm really curious to try it. I do have some clogged pores on the side of my nose, so this I'm interested to try. I do need to wait a little bit. I have some eczema around the side of my nose that I don't want to get affected by the product in here, but that is really neat. So we do have just a little card about the Blistex Vibrance, talking about leaving a review if you love it, a little thing about the Garnier hair mask. Again, I really could do without these. I mentioned this before. These I'll just recycle. I mean, they're good because you can only get so much information on these little packets, especially if they're sample size. But again, environmentally wise, I think we can do without. And then here is a card about the razor. What is neat is there's a QR code on here on how to purchase this particular razor at Walmart. So that's neat. You can just go right ahead and buy them. So this Soothing Moisture Strip is enriched with aloe vera, which is nice to know, with this sensitive shade. Okay, so it's the Bic Soleil Sensitive. It's not just the sensitive razor. It's the Soleil version sensitive. So just a quick, simple, you know, beauty box. This one is kind of a little disappointing for me in the fact that I'm not going to use it, but in the end, it's just some pretty good products. Well-rounded face. The first time I've seen a razor, so I think that's great. It's worth the $5, excluding personal preferences. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget, I am gonna have up shortly a declutter. It's gonna take me a while, but it's probably gonna be long. But it needs to happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will catch you guys